How to view Uber One benefits. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you wondering what perks come with your Uber One membership? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to view all your Uber One benefits directly in the Uber or the Uber Eats app. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the Uber or the Uber Eats app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the account icon which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are inside the account menu section, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the over one. And this will take you to your membership hub. Now here you will see all your current benefits like $0 delivery fee, up to 10% discount on eligible orders, exclusive promotions and priority support. And some versions of the app also let you to tap view benefit to see how much you have saved or how many orders you have qualified. And that's it. That's how you can view your over one benefits and know exactly what you are getting and take full advantage of every order. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.